Start by removing the side trim. Then remove the rubber plug, which exposes the only bolt you will need to remove to take the tail light out. Use a 10mm socket to remove the bolt. I will need to pry the tail light out. I'm installing painter's tape to edges to protect the paint. There's a pin connector that needs to come out of its plug on the back side of the tail light. I'm applying light pressure as I'm prying the tail light gently. When the pin is removed from the plug, you can go ahead and take the tail light out. Disconnect the wire harness. When installing a new tail light, first connect the wire harness. This is the pin that must slide into that plug. Also, these slots under the tail lights must slide on the pins located on the bumper. Install the tail light by sliding it into place, ensuring that the pin connects into the plug. Next, reinstall the bolt. Reinstall the rubber plug. Reattach the cover trim. I will replace the right tail light. Remove trim. Remove rubber plug. Remove bolt. Protect paint with painter's tape. Gently and with light pressure, pry the tail light out. Disconnect the wire harness. Reconnect the wire harness. Slide tail light into place, ensuring it connects the pin with the plug. Reinstall the bolt. Reinstall the rubber plug. install the trim. Modification complete. This modification completely transformed the look of the rear of my 718 Cayman S. I am very happy with the results. I'd like to know what you think, so post your comments below, and while at it, give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.